Welcome back, baby. It's Tie and Gig Builds.
We're working on this Batman logo for all you Batman fans out there. I know you guys requested this specifically, the Batman logo, so
they love Batman.
We're gonna do it for you.
The first thing we're gonna do is just get the boards set to the proper thickness.
It should be simple because we're not using mahogany.
Yeah.
So.
And there's no water.
We have a list going of things that make our lives easier. No water, no mahogany.
That's pretty much it.
Yeah.
You ready, bud?
I'm really ready.
Okay.
This is a joiner. So Tyler's gonna explain to you what that means.
We just gotta make sure that these boards are flat, so when we glue them together, everything looks good. And that's pretty much it. Luckily, we had no Home Depot trips today. Well, one, but not really.
Just one.
Yeah.
But it actually went a lot smoother, surprisingly.
I think people aren't shopping at Home Depot as much.
Yeah,
I'm gonna drop that
I think
stock.
it was also because we I'm gonna sell now. All right, so we got this guy here, and then this guy here. Once they dry up, we're gonna start drawing. Dry and draw, baby.
That's how we do it.
That's how we do it. Dry and draw. The good old Batmobile logo. I'll start a little smaller, and we can work our way out if we want. We could print it out, but it always usually comes out better when you eyeball it. Instead of the measurements, the printouts, save paper.
Okay, I just pulled these pieces out of the glue, and just gotta scrape them out, scrape the glue off, put them through the planer, get them nice even thickness, and then we can try to rat out the template. We'll see how that goes. Great, now that the maple's flat, we're just gonna trace this image on there and then try to cut it out as close as we can with the jigsaw. Then we'll come back with the router. We'll come back with the router to clean it up, get it right next to the template. I routed out most of the waste with that router, and now I'm gonna come back with these chisels and clean it up. I have a lot of mistakes in this, so I'm gonna see if I can clean them up with a nice wood filler I'm gonna make later.
medium-sized layer.
And we're gonna do a team rub, okay?
Okay.
You might not have seen this before. It's called a team rub. Oh yeah.
You know, I know when you hear team rub, you might be thinking of something crazy, but nah.
All right, guys, that wraps it up for this Batman build. You can see the wall art looks pretty good. Gig, what do you think?
I love how this came out. I love that it has the artistic touch from the actual drawing I did.
Little.
Look at that.
You feel that?
The polishing. Now I can really feel where you polished it. If you guys like this, if you've seen Batman, if you're planning to see Batman, give a like, give a subscribe, comment down below. What wall art would you want? We take your comments into consideration. That's why we did Batman.
That's right. You guys love Batman.
Like the first comment was Batman, and then the whole thread under that was Christian Bale, definitely Christian Bale.
We'll see you next week with the tech build. Week after that is another wood one. Until next time, we'll see you next week. Woo!
Tie and gig.